Now we can just try and fix it. So let's go here, let's apply it, and let's fix it. But we see we have this little problem here. So this thing right here, I don't know what this is. So let's take a look at this. So this is a whole bunch of craziness. And that looks like it is where my actual, it's broken at my door. So the non-manifold geometry was on my door. So something's wrong. It thinks there's something wrong with my door. So let's take a look at this. So here's my door. If you need to, you can always hit optimize. So yeah, let me pause for a second. Okay, we're back. We found where that non-manifold geometry is. It's this tiny connecting piece on the inside of my model. I missed it. So when I extruded, it was created and it needs to go away. So I'm gonna select it and delete it. And apparently I need to delete it twice. And once I do that, I need to combine some vertices, I guarantee you. So as you can see, I don't know. I might not, but I'm gonna merge vertices. All right, just to be on the safe side. And let's go down here because I bet there's some yeah, look at that. So this is where my trouble area was, folks. So whenever you see that non-manifold geometry, it means you got some funky piece like that on the inside, all right? And I knew it was the door because it decided I'm gonna totally separate your entire door and make everything horrible. So let's make sure we don't need to merge anything. So we'll go to edit mesh, merge. Looks like everything is fine. And let's save what we have. And I'm actually glad the non-manifold geometry issue popped up because it's showing you guys, showing those of you who are watching this, that this is an issue that pops up, and it's really the program trying to tell you that you have a problem and you need to solve it. To not just try and push through it and force it through. All right, so now let's try our layout again. And this time we didn't get any warning at all. It laid everything out perfectly. So let's zoom in. Now I could have laid it out myself. Okay, I could lay it out myself. Let's take a look at everything. And you can see that it does lay everything out. It does separate everything really well. So this is what the layout tool does. It really lays things out and tries to lay it on space to the maximum. Now, I'm actually going to play around with it a little bit because I really kind of want things to be just a certain way, just for myself to know where they are. Normally, you don't change things around. I'm just going to do it. And it's okay to do that. We have the room. We have the space. So I'm going to hope these are the ones that are together. And it looks like they are, which is great. Let's see. This guy is, this one's over here. So that means this one is right here. So I'm going to put that right there. I'm actually going to move these again, but I just want to show you how you can kind of make things your own. So I'm going to just get a little bit more space between things. I don't think I need them quite as tightly packed as they are. All right, so then these can go right back here. I'm going to put this up here. And just move these over a bit because I'm going to put these back down here. And I'm going to move my windows here. And I'm going to move my door down here. And let's make sure this is really not going outside of the one-to-one space. Oops, and indeed it is not. It's all within it. If it was going outside of the space, we would see these squares in these surrounding areas, so that we'd see the checkerboard test texture in the other areas surrounding the one-to-one space. We don't see that. So let's save this. And now let's go into object mode so we can take a UV snapshot. So in order to take a UV snapshot, we're going to, in the UV editor, go to this little camera icon. And the UV snapshot options box opens. Under file name, we're going to click browse. Should go to your images folder if you have set your project. And so this is going to be house UVs, right? This is what I'm going to call it, house UVs. We'll call this video, because it was the video tutorial, and click save. We're not done yet. Here's where you select your image format. I've selected a Targa. I would either select a Targa, a JPEG, PNG is fine. Any one of those are good. This is where you set the size. Make sure you lock the aspect ratio. Make sure that's checked. I chose 2048 by 2048, and the UV area setting, tiles 1:1, UV space, apply and close. And then you can test that. You can say, oh, well, where is that? Well, it's going to be in my images folder. And as you can see, here it is, house UV video. So if I were to open this, it would open up in Photoshop. Okay, so that's the end of the tutorial on how to lay out your UVs for the simple house model. I hope you found it helpful. And until next time, bye-bye.